Welcome to my Vietnam vlog. I'm off to Phu Quoc, Vietnam's largest island to the southwest of the mainland. It's also their biggest army base, which is closer to Cambodia's shores than it is to Vietnam's shores. Join me as I explore this little island through its dreamy beaches, basking in the tropical sun. I drive around in the rain. I meet starfishes. I see orangish violetish sunsets between Vietnam and Cambodia. I hike up to a waterfall. I discover an Amalfi-like look-alike city and connect with the pains of the colonial history in the coconut prison. Seems like a lot? That's 60 hours of exploration on a weekend from India. And you know what? It doesn't even require a visa. This, by the way, was a quick jaunt over a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If this trailer interested you, you should enjoy the entire series. Come, join us.
So we got lost somewhere on the highway. We didn't actually go to the cable car. It was closed and they wanted us to sign up a package. So we decided we'll just get back home. Now we're actually going to a waterfall nearby because as much as we got lost, we realized that we're next to the airport. And
got some great banana from
सुनाई नहीं देगा रे, इतना आवाज आ रहा है. Waterfall. So looks like this is like a ticketed place. It's not like a wild waterfall that is there by the side of the airport highway. This is how it looks. And that's the entrance. I think if you just go straight, you just go hit one of the flights that are parked. Entry fee lena. We'd like 3 tickets.
What is it?
Sure. 1 million. This guy has some offline tech there. We've just come in. Now this place is ticketed. I just hope it's not some amusement park, man. You have deers, you have rhinoceros photo.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you grow slowly. But don't wait for too long. Just
So I just took a break because I was carrying too much of luggage. Had a very brief dip, wet my legs. Now I'll probably join Abhi and Srinidhi, who've probably gone up. But yeah, very calming. I like the greenery all around, constant noise of insects, chirping of birds, and then of course the gushing waterfall makes for a very relaxed place. I just wish they had food because right now we're very hungry, but there's no place nearby to go have food. Let me go look for these two. I think they've gone somewhere else. So finally, we're here at the Tran waterfall, Suoi Tran waterfall. And I found Abhi and Trinity here too.